Ants nesting inside walls can totally wreck your home vibe if you don't handle it right, so here's the real deal on kicking those little invaders out. First off, you gotta find where those ants are setting up shop inside your walls. Look for tiny trails, small holes, or spots where paint is bubbling or peeling. Next, don't just grab any spray and hope for the best. Calling in a professional pest control crew is clutch because they know how to treat ants without messing up your walls or health. While you wait for the pros, try sealing any gaps or cracks around windows, doors, and where pipes enter the walls, using caulk or weather stripping to block their highways. Keep your kitchen tidy and free of crumbs, since food is like an all-you-can-eat buffet for ants. Dump out trash regularly and store food in airtight containers to cut off their snacks. If you spot nests in insulation or drywall, don't mess with it yourself. Let the experts handle removal or repairs safely. Also, fix any leaks or moisture issues because ants love damp spots to build their homes. Lastly, keep an eye out for new ant activity after treatment to make sure they're really gone for good. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with ants nesting inside walls is ignoring the problem until it gets way out of hand, which only makes removal harder and more expensive. Fix that by acting fast as soon as you notice signs like ant trails or damage. Another issue is using random over-the-counter sprays that don't reach the nests deep inside walls, so instead, trust specialized pest control services that use targeted treatments designed for wall infestations. Lastly, not sealing entry points after treatment lets ants just come back in through those same cracks. Be sure to thoroughly seal all gaps with quality materials to keep them out long-term. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid way to find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle stuff like ants nesting in your walls and other home problems. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners who are looking for reliable pros, making sure everyone gets what they need without the stress.